Hi everyone, my name is Rinardi. I'm a Director General of Protection from the Ministry of Indonesian Migrant Worker Protection, Indonesia. Now, today I'm going to introduce to you all what we have here in our office, what we call as a comment center. And come with me and I will introduce you the first step of our comment center is what we call is a call center. Call center consists of 3 people or 3 personnel that assist or help any migrant worker from Indonesia, including their family, to help their problem. They can contact 24 hours and 7 days a week with every problem they have. And from this step, we're going through to our main comment center here. Please come. Okay, now we are going to enter the room, what we call as the comment center. Now we are already in the room, what we call as a comment center. As you can see, maybe the camera will see all of the operation in this comment center. I'm going to explain to you what is the purpose of the call center regarding this screen. The yellow screen, what you see here, is the one that we call is the call center reporting. I mean that this is all the problem, all the issue that report from the migrant worker, Indonesian migrant worker from everywhere. So until now, since 2011, we have almost 50,000 reporting from all of our migrant workers from Indonesia, including their family. This consists not only the migrant worker that going to work outside, abroad, procedural or non-procedural. And from almost 50,000 migrant workers, it is including men almost 30,000 and the woman almost 36,000. And how many claim or complaint or problem that coming from the migrant worker that has already solved is almost 55,000. Now I'm going to explain to you what we have here in our comment center after the migrant worker and their family report to our call center. From this comment center, as we call not only as comment center but also the war room, we can understand, we can track all of our migrant worker by name, by address, and by location. And we can also know where they work for, who is the boss, and where is the address of the company they work or the one they work for. And from this, we can choose every country that we want to show, that we want to know how many migrant workers that we have in specific country. After every migrant worker, including their family, report to our call center, they are given a unique number, what we call here as a number that representing what they already report to our call center. From this number, from this unique number, they can enter, they can query all of the information that regarding their report to our call center. And here all of the information that we have to continue to proceed and to process all of the explanation, all of the mediation, all of the help to overcome all of the problem with the migrant worker and their family. Now we already have a Zoom screen where is the location of the migrant worker live in Taiwan here. So from this side, we as a government have to understand that we can protect them all of the migrant workers outside the country whenever we have the location, the exact location that they live. Now we're going to the final part of the screen, the big screen that we have in the comment center. The last one is the one that we have here, as we call is we have the information, all of the migrant worker that finish their contract and they return to Indonesia. The area or the region that the migrant worker belongs to. Yeah, we have data information. The number one is from Sambas. Sambas is in the Kalimantan, and Lombok Timur, Medan, Sampang, and etc. We have all this data, and this we divide by women and men. Yeah, still a little bit bigger men than women. And from this information, we also have the data that how they work in outside. This is the time that we need to know that even though that government are trying to do the best one to protect the migrant worker, but for sure that this is a time that we have to know that going abroad to have a work in the other country is illegal according our constitution. But of course, whenever they want to go abroad as a worker, they have to going to a process with the procedural. I think that's enough for me to explain to you as a comment center that we need to you all understand what we have here. Thank you.